If the truck engine overheats, it can cause serious damage and failure. Engine overheating can overload the engine, damage seals and metal parts, and cause failure of the cylinder head and other critical engine components. Coolant plays an important role in preventing the engine from overheating. It circulates through the cooling system, absorbs excess heat, and moves it away from the engine. Coolant also prevents corrosion and scale formation in the cooling system, which can lead to clogging and damage to components. So the coolant tank's on the right side. I'm inspecting first for sure if I have a good level of coolant. Next, I'm inspecting the wire hardness, which is going to the coolant level sensor, which is right here. And I want to see if everything is okay. So I'm checking this zipper here to make sure the water is not tainted. Also, I'm checking the plug to see the pins. If it's okay, and I'm looking at the sensor by itself, it stays firm, tie it down, and check all the leaks in the coolant. There's not any leak around. What I found here were these pins. I had tied down the pins, and after I hooked them back, let's see the code. It is very important when check engine appears on the dashboard of the truck to stop and inspect. As in our case, coolant. There may still be oil pressure, high engine temperature, high one-box temperature.